Okay, now I want to show you two mandolins, my new mandolins that are professional mandolin with fluted ribs or scalloped ribs, 2021 ribs in maple, and yes, the handguard is in maple, also with a special design by similar to the Carlo the design by New Zealand, Iceland. Of course, this is a very good mandolin that has the blue Optima strings that give to the mandolin, to the sound, a very potent sound. Respect another one that has the green Optima strings. This has the blue. The sound is this. Very low action of the string, so it's very comfortable, and it's very good mandolin, I think, for professional mandolin play. And this another one has 21 fluted ribs in maple, yes, and but is special the chorus in mother pearl around the hole, and yes, this is another design by Carlo design, and of course the headstock is in maple, covered with a sheet. The neck is covered from a sheet in beard ace maple, and the sounds were very good. Action of the strings of this mandolin is very good, it's very comfortable, and both mandolins have one bar in carbon fiber into the neck to give more resistance during the time. The bridge is in bone and rosewood. Of course, I can put also one bridge in bone and ebony, but I think the rosewood give a sound more warm sound, I think. And this is a special rosewood, very hard. not think holder. Yes. The mandolins have the machine hits by Rubner that are in full brass and are very good key machines. Hanugar in maple builds it and nothing good. It's special mandolin, very light, very good for performance.